Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently on the Eurostar back to London. Spoiler alert, I went to Paris in this video. I got this face mask for the train and I didn't realise that it was a collagen mask, and I'm so excited to peel it off. It's so satisfying. Anyway, I've been editing this video for the past few hours and I wanted to make a little disclaimer. I've not been vlogging very cohesively. My main focus with YouTube has been to just let go of my perfectionism a little bit and just post. And that's what I've been doing, and I'm so proud of myself doing that. But next week my goal is to bring you in on everything and actually talk, because I feel like it's a whole thing talking to a camera all the time, and I'm not really used to it. So I vouch to do that. I'm very excited to bring you guys along properly and actually start talking properly, but in the meantime I hope you enjoy. I'm going to take this off actually because someone's knocking on the door and I look crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I did a little workout this morning and then I got myself a matcha and I put maple syrup in it at home because they don't have Mel's maple matcha anymore and it's really sad. Ow! But it is kind of making my belly hurt. I've got a meeting with a record label in an hour and then I've got a studio session, so we're back, baby. I have 10 minutes to be out the door. Okay, I'm on the way. Bye!
Do you just want to scratch in just like...
Yeah. Sorry, wrong lyrics.
Sounds great though. Let's give that a go. Okay. So what do you think you're going to do?
Is this filming? The date is the 14th of January 2025.
Yeah.
This is the Yaz 2025 vlog camera.
Oh my god.
You have been Yazified.
Good morning. I'm in Paris with my beautiful friend Talene and my sister and my mum. My sister and my mum are staying in an Airbnb and I'm with Talene. I woke up this morning with the puffiest eyes. I dropped Fabian at the airport last night and it was a very emotional day, and then I got straight on the train to Paris and now I'm here. You can kind of see the puff. Like my eyelids are bigger than they've ever been. Talene DM'd Molly May last night.
No.
Oh, we could have watched that documentary. We'll watch it later.
What do you mean this morning?
The last episode when we got ready.
Oh, I was like, this morning?
I watched episode 1 and 2 last
did
night.
you? So I
yeah.
obviously fell asleep then.
Yeah, you did. I
I
said like, this is so well done, and I got no reply.
Don't ask why I DM'd her before.
Okay, I think this is as good as it's gonna get.
You look normal.
I don't.
No, you do. You actually do.
Really?
I think you've now convinced. Like now you look fine. No, stop squinting. Your eyes smaller.
Oh, guys, I just got a French hairband and a French hairbrush. I feel like you have one of everything good.
Yeah.
And I have 10 of everything shit. This is my pool. It's a little green because the pool guy hasn't got here yet. Yeah, that's my bedroom up there.
That pillars. That guy just looked at me.
Who?
The soldier guy.
Did you see him? Oh, maybe I caught him. Oh, he's looking at me again.
There's the Louvre. Hey guys, follow me around like this. That's where Emily in Paris was filmed.
Oh, Emily in Paris, Emily in Paris.
Hey guys, so this is us in Emily in Paris. We're about to go for brunch. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mum. This is so pretty. This is where my mum and my sister are staying. Wow, this is a good find. Is this an Airbnb? This is my hairband, guys. Sorry to keep on going on about my headband, but I'm so... it's changed my life.
Oh, it's in a brioche.
That's
that
so
good?
good.
Did you get the classic?
Bonsoir.
Dior.
Ooh. We are shopping at this flea market. It is maybe like 10, 11. Look at these shoes.
Yeah, the loafers are cute.
Very good.
The train back is at like 4 o'clock, so we've got a few hours. Gonna do some shopping, do some eating, and then go home.
Oh my god, I had those when I was growing up. Yeah.
Oh, and it's got that.
Oh.